So I don't know about you guys, but getting this hot tub was one of the best things I've ever bought in my life. And unfortunately, it's been a couple seasons now and it's starting to have some problems. This attachment, water is coming out of this. Now I've seen videos by Coleman talking about how it's normal for a trickle to come out, but you'll see when I take the cap off, it goes crazy, like gushes, the water gushes out. So I believe that means there's a hole where the water comes out of the spray jets. I think water is leaking through that because I'm pretty sure that's where this air hole attaches to. So normally that attachment would connect to here. And apparently there is a reverse intake valve in here that should stop the water from going in. But I was pretty nervous because it just seems like a lot more water than is normal. So I didn't want to risk it. I got this reverse intake valve online. So what happens is air can go through this way, but the water won't be able to go this way into the machine. So let's see if this works. So I'm not totally sure if I need this. I guess we'll find out. Okay, here we go. It's gonna gush out, watch out. Oh my God. And there you go. So now when we attach it, the air can go in and then water won't be coming out. So hopefully that'll work for this thing. Let's find out. It's the next day and the attachment looks good, nothing's leaking. The pump is working fine. So definitely a success.